Welcome back, everybody. It's Bjorn, aka Bjorn to Sell, your trusted guide to real estate here in Minnesota. Today, we're diving into the big question: what's in store for home buying in 2025? If you're planning to buy a home this year or just curious about the market, stick around because I'm covering the trends, projections, and tech innovations that are reshaping the real estate landscape. If this is your first time here, please help me out by hitting that subscribe button and giving this video the old thumbs up. I share weekly real estate tips and advice to help you achieve your home ownership dreams, and I'd love to have you along for the whole journey. So let's jump on in. The real estate market, well, it's constantly evolving, and 2025 is shaping up to be no exception to that rule. Experts predict a continued recovery in inventory levels, which could give buyers more options compared to the tight market we've seen in recent years. Home prices, however, are expected to stabilize rather than skyrocket like we saw during the pandemic boom. Now, that's great news for buyers. Less competition and more realistic pricing, well, that could mean a better chance of finding a home that fits your budget. That said, buyer behavior is also shifting. Millennials are now the largest group of home buyers, and Gen Z is starting to enter the market. These generation of buyers value walkability, eco-friendly homes, and proximity to amenities. If you're buying or selling in 2025, it's important to keep these preferences in mind. Now let's talk a little bit about what you need to know about interest rates, because it's a key factor in determining how affordable a home will be. Now, I'm not a mortgage lender. You need to have further discussions with them. But after a period of rising rates in 2023 and 2024, many experts expect rates to stabilize or maybe even dip slightly in 2025. Well, we probably won't see the historic low rates of 2020 and 2021 again, probably ever again. Even small changes can significantly impact your buying power. But here is something that I really want you to understand and know about interest rates, and it's that rates vary for each individual. What you see online or bulk emails are averages, not personalized quotes. Your actual rate depends on factors like your credit score, debt to income ratio, loan type, and even the size of your down payment. The best way to know where you stand is to connect with a quality lender and go through the pre-approval process. A good lender will take the time to evaluate your financial situation and give you a personalized rate quote based on your unique circumstances. This not only helps you plan your budget, but it also ensures there are no surprises down the road. And you know how I hate oh by the ways. Trust me, it's worth the effort. Don't just rely on online calculators or generalized rates. I've seen buyers get excited about a low rate they found online only to discover that it doesn't apply to their specific situation. On the flip side, I've had clients assume that their rate would be much higher than it actually was, only to be pleasantly surprised when they worked with the right lender. When buying a home, knowledge is power, and staying informed about your actual rate is a crucial part of the process. If you're buying in Minnesota, remember that programs like Minnesota Housing can also offer down payment and closing cost assistance, which could further improve your affordability. Now, it almost goes without saying that technology continues to transform how we buy and sell homes, and 2025 is bringing even more innovation to the table. One of the biggest game changers that I've seen in the last few years that just keeps getting better and better is virtual tours. Buyers can now explore properties from the comfort of their couch, saving time and making it easier to narrow down their options. Nowadays, you can't look anywhere without seeing or hearing about AI, and AI-powered real estate platforms are also becoming more and more sophisticated. These tools can analyze market data, predict trends, and even help match you with properties that fit your needs. Imagine getting personalized recommendations and narrowing some of that process down with the help of AI. For sellers, technology is making it easier to market homes to the right audience. From drone photography to targeted online advertising, today's tools allow us to showcase properties like no other time in history. Of course, well, all this technology is a fantastic and fabulous resource It's no substitute for working with an experienced agent. Real estate is still about relationships, trust, and local expertise. And guess who's got that? If you're planning to buy a home in 2025, here is some things that will help you greatly. 1, get your finances in order, improve your credit score, save for a down payment, and get pre-approved for that mortgage. 2, stay informed. Keep an eye on market trends and interest rates so you can make informed decisions. 3, leverage those technologies and use things like virtual tours and online tools to streamline your search. But don't forget the value of working with a local agent who knows the market inside and out. 2025 is shaping up to be an exciting year for real estate with more inventory, stabilizing prices, and incredible tech tools to make the process smoother. So whether you are a first-time buyer or looking to get your dream home, the key is preparation and staying ahead of the trends. If you're ready to jump on in and start your home buying journey, or you have questions about the market, visit bjorntosell.com to connect with me directly. You can also use the comments below or find me on any social media at bjorntosell, and you can DM me there. And don't forget that in the description below is that free home buyers and home sellers guide that's packed with expert tips and tools to make your journey smoother. Please make sure to help me out and hit that subscribe button and give this a thumbs up. I don't want you missing any of this great information that I'm going to be offering up in 2025, the year that we make your real estate dreams come true. I'll be back next week with more great information. Until then, be kind to one another.